Welcome back, friends, to the third video. Already in the first two videos I have uploaded the graph of the sin x, cos x, tan x. Then I uploaded the graph in the video number 2. I uploaded the graph of the cot x, cosec x and sec x. And today I will be discussing with you the range and domain of certain trigonometric functions. Before that, I just want to tell you that for sin x, the range of the function of sin x is this. This is the range of the function of sin x. This is the range, and the domain will be x belongs to real number. So this is the domain. Similarly, I have for the domain of cos x. Let me discuss the domain of the cos x. So domain of cos x will be again x belongs to real number, and the range will be from -1 to 1. Similarly, for tan x, the domain will be x belongs to real number but not 2n plus 1 pi by 2, and the range will be from -infinity to +infinity. Now, let us think about the cosec x. So the domain will be x belongs to real number minus n pi. X belongs to real number minus n pi. This is the domain, and the range of this function will be from -infinity to -1 union 1 to infinity. This is about cosec x. Similarly, if I want to find out about sec x, the domain will be x belongs to real number minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, and the range of the sec x, will be from -infinity to -1 union 1 to infinity. These all I have given, already I have given to you. Now cot x, the domain will be x belongs to real number minus n pi, and the range of this, the cot x range will be from -infinity to +infinity. So these are the domains and the range of the functions. Now let us discuss certain functions. For example, if I ask you, if I give you a function y equal to, suppose I give you y equal to sin 2x. Always remember, this angle does not have any control over the range. This angle, whatever it can be, does not have any control over the range. So again, its domain will be x belongs to real number, and range will be -1 less than sin 2x less than equal to 1. Remember that. This angle does not have any control over the range. Similarly, if I discuss a function, suppose y is equal to 3 cos 3x. So, as I told you that cos 3x, this angle will have no control over the cos, and range of cos was from -1 to 1. Okay, but there is a 3. So we have to multiply with 3 on both sides. We have to multiply with 3 on both sides. That means it will become -3 to +3. So this is the range of the function y equal to 3 cos 3x. Similarly, if I have the function of y is equal to 4 tan x, 4 tan 2x, I told you this angle does not have any control over the range. Now tan x was what? -infinity to, so whether this is 2x or 3x or whatever it is does not have any control over the range. Now tan x, the range was -infinity to +infinity. I will not think about this. It can be x or 2x or 3x, whatever it is, but there is a 4, so multiply with 4. If I multiply infinity, -infinity and infinity with 4, the result will not change. So this is the range of this function. Are you getting? It's very easy. You just remember that the angle does not have any control over the range. Angle will have no control over the range. Similarly, if I want to show you a sum like this, suppose y equal to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. This function, till now we were having a single function, but this is a double function. So we have to first convert this function into a single function. So remember the rule that you have to first find out the square root of these two numbers. Square root of these two numbers, 4 and 9. This is 4 and this is 9. So this is coming out to be root 13. This is coming out to be root 13. Okay. So what? This is 2 and 3. Sorry, 2 and 3. This is 4 and this is 9. So this is coming out to be root 13. So what I have to do now here is y is equal to, you have to divide by root 13. You have to divide by root 13 and multiply by root 13. So that is the rule. You have to divide by root 13 and then multiply by root 13. So let us see how to convert. If I tell that this is cos alpha sin x, so this definitely will become sin alpha and cos x. Sin alpha and cos x. Because how we are telling this, suppose if there is an angle, suppose if there is a right angle triangle, this is the alpha. So this is 2 and this is 3. So this will come root 13. So cos alpha will be 2 by root 13. So 2 by root 13 is cos alpha and sin alpha will be 3 by root 13. So this is sin alpha. So what we can write is, from here what we can write is y is equal to root 13. This is actually sin x plus alpha. And now we have converted it to the single trigonometric equation. So I can tell that my sin x plus alpha, sin will have no control over the range. So it will lie from -1 to +1. But there is a root 13. So I will multiply with root 13 here and there. So this will become minus root 13 and this will become plus root 13. So this is the range of this function. This is the range of this function. Okay. Now one more. I'll show you one more. Suppose the function is 1 by sin x plus cos x, 1 by sin x plus cos x. So the number is 1 and 1. So I told you, first of all, find out the root of this. 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. So we can write it as 1 by root 2, 1 divided by sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. So here we are multiplying this with root 2. So that means 1 by root 2. So now this will become as cos alpha sin x plus sin alpha cos x. So now the function will become 1 by root 2, this is sin x plus alpha, which is 1 by root 2 cosec x plus alpha. And we know the range of the cosec. We know range of the cosec, which is minus 1 to minus infinity minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So I will write cosec x plus alpha should be minus 1. This should become minus infinity to minus 1. And this will be 1 to infinity. And now we have to multiply with 1 by root 2. So this will become 1 by root 2. This will become minus 1 by root 2. And this will become 1 by root 2. So the range of this is this. So this is how we find out the range and the domain of the different functions, as you can see. So I showed you today the different varieties, how to find the domain and range. So today, about the class which I showed you mainly is to find the domain and range of the different trigonometric functions. Already I have discussed the domain and range of the functions previously and the graphs. So please follow the videos and see those previous videos. First of all, see how to plot those graphs, and then these functions also go through, and we can easily see and how to find out the domain and range of different functions. Okay, so with this we come to the end of the class. So I would suggest please keep following my class and keep watching the videos, keep subscribing. I will keep uploading the new further chapters also from time to time again. Okay, so be safe. Thank you very much for keep watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications for the further classes to come. Okay, thank you so much.